As most of you know, I am all about brows because a perfectly shaped brow sets the stage for a beautiful makeup and balances the face. Right now, I am loving the wispy look of soap brows. So I'm going to show you my version using SENNA's Sketch a Brow Precision Brow Pencil, Light Tricks Highlight Duo, and Brow Fix X Setting Gel. To start, you always want to clean off the eye area with an oil-free makeup remover. I'm using my SENNA oil-free makeup remover, and it has chamomile and aloe, and that's important because those are the ingredients you need to use around the eye area. So gently wipe the area clean. You want to get all the oily residues off of the area in order to create the look. Next, you always want to brush up the brows. Brushing up the brows creates a fuller look because the length of the hair makes the brow look fuller as opposed to when it's laid down on the side. You see the difference? So we're going to brush the brows up, and I'm using my Brow Pro 40 brush so you can see how feathery they appear, and I almost even back comb them. So the next step is using my Light Tricks Highlight Duo pencil. It has a matte end and it has a glow end. So I'm going to be using the matte end of the crayon, and I am going to draw right along the whole brow edge. That defines the brow. The next step would be to blend, and I'm using my Rondo blender, and you want to blend that line. And you're going to really see how it defines the brow without adding color. Isn't that amazing? Now to set the hairs in place to make them wispy, we're going to be using our Brow Fix X. This is an amazing product because it has extension fibers in it. So it actually clings onto your brows and makes them fuller. We are going to press, 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 and there you have it. Now that they're in place, we want to fill in. I'm taking Sketch a Brow Precision Brow Pencil, and I'm going to sketch tiny brow hairs. So what we're going to do, also in the sparse areas only, is we are going to make little hair-like strokes. I am using brunette. We have 8 beautiful shades. So as you can see, I'm going across in the sparse areas, but it doesn't look like she has pencil. You just copy the hair in front of it. So we're going to follow the direction that the hair grows. So there you have it. Brows that are wispy, soft, and feathery. I just think they're so beautiful.